The sober breathing space is a mindfulness strategy to help us feel grounded, calm, relaxed, and aims at focusing our attention. It starts with the wide part of the hourglass. S for stop. Stop what you're doing right now. You have nowhere to be. You have nothing to do. O is observe. It's a broad scan of what's happening at the moment in all of your body. So imagining a photocopier just scanning you from the top of your head all the way down to your feet. Just notice how you feel. Notice what you sense in your body as that scan moves down through your head, your face, your jaw, your neck and shoulders, your arms, your hands, your body, your seat, your legs, your feet. Just notice, is there an emotion here? Are there aches or pains? Any feelings of discomfort? Now moving to B, we're just going to focus our attention on this really narrow part, which is the breath. Notice as you breathe in through your nose, if the air is cooler than the exhale. As you're breathing in, you might notice if your shoulders or your chest is rising. Try and keep these still and focus more on your belly moving. You might like to put your hands on your diaphragm or on your belly. Just take a breath in through your nose and a long breath out. Relax your shoulders, relax your jaw. This time breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 6. So breathing in and breathing out. And breathing in and breathing out. And one more, breathing in and breathing out. Now move to E, expand. Again, this is a broad observation of your body. Just like another photocopy scan from the head all the way down to the feet. What do you notice? What's here at the moment? What do you feel? If you feel relaxed and calm and ready to move on, then move to R, respond, back to where you were and what you were about to do. If you're still feeling uneasy or there's some stress or tension, go back to B and practice those 3 breaths again. And then when you're ready, do another broad observation in the expand, and then move on to R, respond when ready. Sober is really good because it's a visualization technique. You can visualize that egg time at any time. You can remember SOBER. You don't have to have a meditation to practice this exercise. I hope it's been helpful. I hope you have a good day.